When you receive the invitation from Cheqroom in your email, click Accept Invite and follow the link. Provide your full name and create a secure password based on the criteria and hit Join. This is your view once you are logged in. There are 5 tabs including your dashboard, calendar, all items, your reservations, and your checkouts. Your dashboard shows all of this information, but your calendar will show all of your reservations and checkouts on a very well-organized calendar. Based on which location you have selected, located at the top of the drop-down menu, this will impact the equipment you can see in the Items tab, but you are able to see all of the available equipment in this tab. The Reservation and Checkout tabs will show you all of your reservations and checkouts in their respective tabs. Next, we will go through the steps of creating a reservation. Be sure that you've submitted your signed contracts and check for $100 and pass any required knowledge test prior to this reservation. Hit New Reservation and select your pickup and return dates based on the times shown at the beginning of this video. Then, select your equipment based on what you need and what you're cleared to use. Once you are done, hit Reserve. Cheqroom will send you a confirmation email, which ends the process of creating a reservation. Remember to be on time for pickup and return.